Hello guys, today I'm going to review extendable locking flex head ratchet from KS Tools. KS Tools are a rather cheaper tool brand when comparing it to the other German giant companies like Hazet, Stahlwille, Gedore, etc. But they are not very cheap at the same time. KS Tools make quite good quality tools for the price. Their tools are made in Taiwan and China, I believe. I have used these ratchets and I'm quite impressed with their quality. Let's start with their half-inch ratchet first. Beautifully made and workmanship is good too. Two-component handle design. Black part is softer than the red part. Logo is very interesting. Case is in the black and the red in background. And the tools are stamped in red with black background. It's kind of complex handle design. They put quite an effort to design that, I guess. To extend the ratchet, you need to push the knob up and the ratchet will be free and will be able to be extended. It's a smooth mechanism. Ratchet can be extended with 6 different length positions. The handle design is just okay. It fits okay in my hands. Teeth count are 72, which is pretty basic. Direction lever is small but made of metal. Here you can see some file marks. All 3 ratchets have the same marks. I think KS tool needs to be improved in that part. Part number is laser edged and these will wear away with the time. Quick release button is nice and smooth. Flex mechanism button is bit stiff. Let's look at the 1/4 inch ratchet. This has quite better flex mechanism button. Extension mechanism is fine. It has 4 different length positions. This 3/8 drive is my favorite ratchet because it's narrower and I can get enough leverage for heavy job too. But I don't know how much torque it can take, but I tell you guys, I have used it and it took quite a bit of force and it works as new. Here you can see I busted the bolt loose. It took the abuse. Look at now, I switched to the 1/2 inch breaker bar cause I did not want to break the ratchet. And you can see even with the 1/2 inch breaker bar, I needed to use quite much force. Here you can see, if some of you are interested, how much is the original length and how much these can be extended. Let's try some socket on the 1/2 inch ratchet. Quick release button works fine and socket seated well and good. It won't fall off. That is why I like quick release function. Would make the exact same ratchet with a different handle and logo obviously, but they are identical to each other. Both ratchets are double the price to KS tool ratchets. Overall, these ratchets are very impressive for the price they offer. I have used them and I can say based on my experience that they are good quality, if not the best. I put some footage using 3/8 ratchet. The length extension mechanism is pretty handy feature. Okay guys, that's it with the review. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. See you in another video.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't